Welcome to your journey toward an enticing career path in the data science field. Data science has witnessed recent marketable growth due to the abundance of electronic data, computing power, advancements in artificial intelligence, and its demonstrated business value. In the United States, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics projects a 35% growth rate in the field. Currently, the median annual salary is an estimated $103,000. So begin your journey into this thriving and fascinating field with this course. Its increased adoption across industries has fueled demand for skilled data scientists who can use data to tell compelling stories to transform and inform businesses. In this introductory course, learn about these opportunities and investigate the needed career skills to become a data scientist. Additionally, this course will help managers and executives who want to learn about the field to help transform their organization to become more data-driven. This course is designed for beginners, so you don't need prior knowledge or a degree in data science or programming. It serves as an introduction to the field. Take this course if you are curious about data science and how and why data science is transforming our world. Learn about concepts such as big data, different branches of artificial intelligence, and how data science leverages these ideas to uncover and tell hidden stories. This course is the first in several other specializations and programs, including IBM Data Science Professional Certificate, Introduction to Data Science, Key Technologies for Business, IBM AI Foundations for Business. You will meet several data scientists who will share their insights and experiences in data science. You will have a foundational understanding of data science through instructional videos and videos with data science professionals, readings, practice assessments where you can practice your skills, glossaries for your reference, and a video that summarizes each lesson. At the end of the course, you will have a case study and a quiz based on it as a final assignment. You explore data science job listings in the final peer-reviewed project. Let's take a more detailed view of the course content. The course is divided into 3 modules plus an optional module. In the first lesson, you'll explore what data science is, the data scientist's role in an organization, and what makes a skilled data scientist. Then you continue this module by learning about what data scientists do. You'll also learn essential skills for becoming a good data scientist and why significant data matters. You'll explore handling different file types, study data science topics and algorithms, and discuss the qualities that define a data scientist. In Module 2, Lesson 1, you'll explore the interaction of big data and cloud computing in driving digital transformation. You will also learn foundational concepts, key tools, and data mining techniques essential for data scientists in this dynamic landscape. In the second module lesson, you'll dive into exciting concepts of artificial intelligence and data science. Throughout this module, you will explore artificial intelligence concepts like machine learning and deep learning, gaining valuable insights and skills. In the third module, you'll embark on a journey to explore the vast and impactful realms where data science plays a pivotal role. This engaging module delves into various activities that shed light on the diverse applications of data science today. In addition to these 3 modules, you are also offered an optional module if you'd like to familiarize yourself with data literacy concepts for data science and where you will learn about the data ecosystem. Topics include sources of data that data professionals use in their day-to-day tasks and distinguish between databases, data warehouses, data marts, and data lakes. You gain a basic understanding of how data gets processed, such as the extract, transform, and load (ETL) processes, and working with data pipelines. While participating in this course, if you encounter challenges or have questions, you can find support and answers and connect with other learners and support staff in the course's discussion forums. And now, welcome to the course. We look forward to you completing this course, earning a valuable certificate, and continuing your path to a data science career.